Rats love to chew or gnaw because their incisors keep growing. They seem unstoppable, chewing anything on their path. They are scary, disease-producing, and very destructive. Outwit rats, stop rats, repel rats with extra strong, powerful rat repellent spray, bitteR. Spray bitteR. Its extreme bitter taste inflicts a powerful bitter shock to the rodent mouth and stop rats from returning or chewing. Bhago rat bhago. bitteR is odorless, environment friendly and safe for humans. Sticks on most surfaces easily. Why is bitteR better? No messy killing, no inconvenient trapping, no poisoning. Where to apply bitteR? Spray bitteR and protect car and bike engines, electrical wires of home and appliances, data cables, rubber and molded parts, pipes, grommets and things that rats chew. How to apply bitteR? First, wear the gloves and face mask provided in the kit. Spray the surface liberally from a 10 cm distance. When required, use the nozzle extension. Spray a double coat, applying the second coat when the first coat has dried. For car and bike engines, make sure the surface is dry and clean, free of grease, oil and dirt. Spray on cold engines at room temperature and do not start the engine for 4 hours after spraying. Spray evenly on every part of the engine like wires, cables, pipes, washer fluid tank, battery terminals, intake manifold and all entry points of rats. Reach the underside of the vehicle and make sure you have covered all surfaces thoroughly. But avoid spraying inside the car or the boot. A well-applied bitteR coat remains potent and active for 2 months, keeping rats away. Rain, waterlogging, car servicing may require more frequent or reapplication of bitteR spray. bitteR is a UPL product, a global leader in agrochemicals. Stop rats. Spray bitteR.